Hi, so I'm Trupti Unnithan.
And I'm Bhumit Kaushik.
And so we're going to be talking about urban planning. But before that, can I just see a show of hands of how many people here might be below the age of 18 or 18 maybe? Yeah, no, yeah, okay, one, but okay, so we thought we were just the youngest, just to clarify. Anyways, so we'll be talking about urban planning. So urban planning is like a situation that happens a lot, especially back home in New Delhi. We have a lot of air pollution over there, which affects a lot of people in terms of health, well-being, and social life. So we're going to show you like what we've come up with.
So if we talk about data, when we looked at the data, we got to know that it was unsupervised data. So we went with interactive scatter plots. Then for prediction, we went to k-means for clustering. And then to visualize data, we went for Streamlit. And also we created maps through Folium from Python. And we came up with
The variables of NO, NO2, and CO2 being most visible in these areas. And in the next scatter plot, you can also see this is where the roads are mostly driven, especially through these areas. So two of the main roads that are mostly affected by these pollutants are Eden Quay and Yeats Way. So without any further ado, we'll go on to the solution we've come up with. Actually, the problem, sorry. So the problem of urban planning is mainly the air quality, and the influence of poor air quality happens between 45 to 50 of nitrogen dioxide that can be seen going from the quay all the way to the port. And so we've come up with the solution of green route, which is the solution name we've come up with, which includes three main factors. Firstly, being housing. So housing includes Green Buildings Initiative and Green Rooftops, where we believe that Dublin City Council can perhaps collaborate with Irish Green Building Council to produce housing which is more eco-friendly and provide an indoor quality license for people who meet these criterion in terms of just using eco-friendly substances in the house, such as solar panels, and also the implementation of air cleaning pavements, considering the fact that we all know that the Irish weather is pretty bad and it rains quite a lot. So the air cleaning pavements would probably have permeable pavements which allow the rain to like seep through the ground and prevent air pollutants from going into the atmosphere. Second, the transportation factor. So we've come up with an odd-even license plate concept where basically vehicles with a license plate that's an odd number would go out and drive on certain number of days, while an even number license plate would go out and drive on another number of days. So this basically improves public transportation and reduces like congestion of traffic on the roads. Lastly, rewards. So obviously, if everybody has a motive, then they would want to do something. So rewards in terms of transport tracking feature could be a collaboration that is done with Google Maps, where basically we track how a person travels, whether it's in terms of train, bus, or cycle, and they have to upload a proof. So like if you know of the Bleeper app, they do a bullet proof. So like whether you have your tickets or simply a history of your Leap cards, we're able to track the way you travel, whether it's eco-friendly or not, and accordingly give you back in terms of incentives, which could be done by tax credits or grants. So to conclude, we would just advise you and hopefully hope that you use Green Route as the next best alternative to help us achieve the topmost air quality in Dublin. Thank you.